Alrighty folks, this is Tom from anti-proton.com again, and today I'm going to go do a swipe test on my car to test it and see what kind of readings I get. As you can see, I have my Geiger counter protected inside of plastic. This could be a problem for alpha emissions, but it's not going to be very much for beta, because as you probably well know, beta and gamma actually too will go right through the plastic. Alright, here's my car. Alright, I can't say much for my camera though. Hold on, let me wipe my camera down. The camera does not like to be in the rain. The Geiger counter doesn't mind. It is reading 0.015 millirankins, and of course that's inappropriate to use millirankins. We should be using, there, counts per minute, 12, 13, right in the middle of the rainstorm. Let me wipe off my camera. And as you can see, we're standing in water. We are covered in water. We are not reading that much. We're getting it every now and then. And I still say there's a little bit of radiation out here in the water. See, if I put it right up against the car, I do get a little bit more. But I'm getting 17, I don't know if you can read that or not, 16 counts per minute, 17 counts per minute. Let's do a short test. We'll place it on timer. We'll change the time to 4 minutes, and we'll start it right on top of the car. Now, for the next 4 minutes, the Geiger counter will remain on the car without anybody being able to do anything to it. So we know it's working, and it's not wet because, of course, you get the point. And here I am. Let me wipe off my camera now. Excuse me. I know you all want to see things. But the camera is already pretty wet, and it is a phone, for God's sake, you know. You can see it's pretty dismal out. Okay, we've got a couple more minutes to wait. We will go wait over here by the apartment, where it will not be so bad. The water's still flooding. It's too bad I don't have an umbrella with me someplace. There. I want this thing to get so wet. Now, as you can see, let me see if I can cover up my license plate. The car is right there, and the Geiger counter is still on top of it. And the rain's just generally falling now. I also have this paper towel, which I will do a swipe test on. I folded it up and put it in my pocket. It's already pretty well wet anyway, but as you can see, nothing weird, nothing strange, nothing fake, nothing hidden. Alright, once the timer on the counter reads about 5 minutes, we'll know it's time to go back and get the Geiger counter. Unless it gets struck by lightning on my car, which I'd be really, really angry about. All in the name of science, etc., but not for that. That would suck. Alright, so here we sit. I apologize, folks, I can't pause my camera. Here's my radioactive brick. See? Radioactive brick. 30 counts per minute. And we're still under a tornado warning. That hasn't happened yet, so we're all still here. I'm going to wipe 1 square meter of my car, and I'm going to test it. Yeah, I am getting really soaking wet, and I'm at danger of lightning strike, etc., all in the name of science. That's how much I care. And you should too. Science is that important. Alright. I know it's boring. I know it's terribly boring. As you can see, I'm sitting here soaking wet. I'm just covered from head to toe with water. And this is all in the name of science. Hopefully I will be able to show everybody that the rainstorm that I'm being hit with is not very radioactive. It is radioactive, I think. I think it is a little. The readings went up a little bit. Last couple times I've tested, I've gotten a couple counts per minute more when I do a long-term test. But it's not 20 or 30 or 40 or 50 or even 60 times. Nowhere near that level. And if it's not that level here, it's probably not that level anywhere else in the United States. Because you don't lose 50, 60 times your background radiation in a short distance like that. It's just not going to happen. So, it should be about time. Let's go on out here to the old car. The rain's also dropped a little. Let's see what we got. Oh, there it goes. I judged that pretty well. And as you can see, you can all agree, car is literally covered. So is the Geiger counter. In 4 minutes, it got 48 counts. Okay, let's see. 48 divided by 4. 48 divided by 2 is 24. 12, right? 12 times 4 is 48. So I got 12 counts a minute. 12 counts a minute in 4 minutes. I know that's not a very long test, and I usually tell you to do it for a couple hours. But as we all can see, it isn't really going up very much at all. Now, I'm going to do a swipe test. I already did a swipe test this morning to get 1 square meter. So, there's the Geiger counter. Not the Geiger counter, I'm sorry, there's the wipe. 1 square meter of the hood. Or not the hood, the roof. There it is. Not getting too much off of it, but we'll take it in and see what we get. Anyway, I'll let you all know the results. This is Tom from anti-proton.com. Getting wet. Bye-bye.